Miss, I just called in inquiring about being reimbursed for bond money that I paid several years ago, and every charge for that bond was dismissed. And I articulated to the person I just spoke with. It was a female, at the clerk's office, at your courthouse clerk's, and she told me, like I said, I just spoke with her. Yeah, I just had a writer's block. I'm not sure which one it is. Maybe you can help me find her. All right. Miss Joanne, I just spoke with you, young man, myself, about being reimbursed. Yeah. Now, Miss, didn't you tell me it is bondsman's responsibility for reimbursing me? But he said it's not his fault. I mean, it's not his. Well, I have it documented. Well, you did, and first you did say that I have it documented. I have exact record documentation of audio clip. And then you later told me that so you said it is between me and the bondsman or not? Right, which is the bondsman. Then the bondsman said it's not his responsibility. So so I didn't lose my own money. I have a bank statement showing where it was paid out to the bondsman and why it was paid to the bondsman. And then you were in the process of getting me the bonds, a department of the bond insurance. Is that what you told me? All right, Department of Insurance. I'm looking at it now. You was ready to give me the number. Yes, Miss. I'm trying to inquire about the process of having my bond reimbursed according to the U.S. Constitution, Fifth Amendment, where it says no property shall be taken without just compensation, or and or due process of the law. And if my attorney is disregarding and just not responding, no answering any of my calls. If my attorney was, yes, every my case, every charge that I received, which was multiple charges for that case, was have been dismissed. Been several years ago now. Which I cannot afford an attorney. That attorney was a court appointed, and I'm still in the financial status that I was at that time, which is indigent. On my own, as a pro se, either I could do a pro se or a hired attorney. Which I'm so as an African American and a miseducated and lack of education, and particularly specifically legal and political education, most African Americans are. We don't we it's difficult for us to do it as pro se, especially with finances, especially financial and living arrangements. You know, it's hard. It's difficult. This has caused me, financial problem, difficult, increased my financial problems, and my living arrangements made it further more difficult. So I would like to have be reimbursed, and it's causing me a lot of grief. So somebody is liable. The bondsman said he's not liable for it. Then you all, so I call you all numerous times. Y'all say y'all not liable for the bond money that I lost. That was not a fault of mine. The Halifax County charged me with some numerous marijuana charges. Each charge would have been dismissed. Halifax County is being non-transparent, being biased about returning my. I have material property too. I lost a lot of valuable things, and it's not that valuable. Like it's probably all total under $5,000, and even with the grief. So, and I know the county has to have those funds, especially to pay, office people who work in the office, you officials. So if they have that money to pay you all and other things and road and whatever else, and people can barbecue and live good out behind the trees, they could give me, my 2,000 and like I said, and another near 1,000 in my goods they took.
That's something that you pay to the bondsman to get out of jail instead of having to post that whole $20,000 or $26,000 bond, however much it was. That was a portion of that to get out of jail. That's not something that's our responsibility. That's something that happened between you and that bondsman that you called to get you out of jail.
So I didn't jail myself. Like, look, Self, go to jail. Self, now pay 2,000 and put yourself that much steps behind in life. So that's not my own fault. If I come break your fence and that's my fault, I gotta repair your fence. So y'all treaded on me, like I say, don't tread on me. Y'all treaded on me, caused me to take a law. Y'all broke my fence, so now y'all must amend that. No, whoever's responsible, the county, the bondsman, somebody as a class, it doesn't matter. I just want it to be made right. I did my right part. You see, I did that. I did everything as a law-abiding citizen. So now I'm asking y'all to abide the same law y'all are enforcing. Nobody wants to do right. This is the conspiracy why people are speaking out against the government. This is part of the conspiracy. All right, but like I said, according to the Fifth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of the law, nor shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. I'm ready for the legal aid's number. Hopefully they can assist me, as you said. 800. All right, give me a moment so I can take note of that. Legal aid. 800 682 0010. But now prior to speaking with you, I called in and I was trying to get a three-way conference call with the bondsman and the clerk that I just transferred the call. She was getting ready to provide me with the Department of Insurance for the bond bureau or department. Does that exist? I'm not familiar with that.
Right now, the bondsmen, they are licensed through the North Carolina Department of Insurance, yes, sir.
Can you provide me with that phone number? Wait, can you repeat that the name of that what do you call that? That organization or agency?
North Carolina Department of Insurance.
NC Department. I just heard that. Department of Insurance. And so North Carolina Department of Insurance is who has authority over bondsmen?
Yes.
And you said, or is it possible you can provide me with their phone number?
Sure. It's 855.
Is this the area code?
It's like an 800 number, so it's 1-855.
855. 408.
1212.
1212. All right.
Okay, maybe you can get some assistance through one of those two, okay?
All right, thank you. I'm going to give them a try.
Okay, have a good weekend.
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.